Automatic cars are comfortable and easy to drive, but when the automatic gearbox starts failing, the repair cost can be extremely expensive. Many drivers don't notice the warning signs early. By the time they realize something is wrong, the gearbox is already badly damaged. In this video, I will explain the common warning signs that your automatic gearbox may be failing, so you can catch the problem early and avoid a costly repair. Welcome to Car Logic Zone. No hype, just real car talk. Number 1 is delayed gear engagement. One of the first warning signs of a failing automatic gearbox is delayed gear engagement. This usually happens when you shift the gear from park to drive or from reverse to drive. Normally, when you select a gear, the car should move almost immediately. But if there is a delay of 2 or 3 seconds before the car starts moving, that can be a sign of a transmission problem. This delay often happens because the transmission fluid is low, dirty, or the internal components of the gearbox are starting to wear out. If you notice this happening often, it's important to check the transmission fluid or have a mechanic inspect the gearbox. Number 2 is gear slipping. Another common sign of a gearbox trouble is gear slipping. This happens when the engine speed increases, but the car does not accelerate the way it should. For example, you may press the accelerator and the engine RPM goes higher, but the car struggles to gain speed. This means the gearbox is having trouble transferring power from the engine to the wheels. Gear slipping can be caused by worn-out clutch plates inside the transmission or by low transmission fluid. If this problem continues for too long, it can cause serious internal damage to the gearbox. Number 3 is jacking or hard gear changes. A healthy automatic gearbox should shift gears smoothly. You should barely notice when the gear changes, but if you feel sudden jerks, strong vibrations, or rough gear changes, it could be a warning sign that something is wrong. This problem may be caused by dirty transmission fluid, faulty transmission solenoids, or electronic control issues. In some cases, the gearbox just needs a fluid change, but in other situations, the problem may require further inspection. Number 4 is burning smell. A burning smell from your car is never a good sign, especially when it comes from the transmission. Transmission fluid helps to lubricate and cool the internal parts of the gearbox. If the fluid becomes too hot or starts to burn, it loses its ability to protect the transmission. When this happens, the internal parts can wear out faster. If you notice a strong burning smell while driving, it's important to have your car checked immediately. Number 5, transmission warning lights. Modern vehicles have sensors that monitor the performance of the transmission. If the system detects a problem, a warning light may appear on your dashboard. This could be the transmission warning light or sometimes the check engine light. Many drivers ignore these lights and continue driving, but this can make the problem worse. It's always better to scan the vehicle and identify the problem early. Number 6 is strange noises. A normal automatic gearbox should operate quietly, but if you start hearing unusual sounds like whining, grinding, or cranking noises while the car is changing gears, this could indicate internal damage. These sounds may come from worn gears, damaged bearings, or other internal components. Strange noises from the transmission should never be ignored at all. And now finally, automatic gearboxes are complex and expensive components, so it's important to take care of them. If you notice any of these warning signs, delayed gear engagement, gear slipping, jacking shifts, burning smells, warning lights, or strange noises, it is best to inspect the problem early. Fixing small transmission issues early can save you a lot of money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who drives an automatic car. This is Car Logic Zone, where we say no hype, it's just real car talk. Cheers!